Want to start a home care agency in Washington and worried you'll file a few forms and get stuck at survey? Here's the 2026 roadmap that actually gets you licensed and inspection ready. Think like an operator from day one, not just a marketer. First, define your model. Non-medical home care is personal care and support. Home health is skilled clinical care. Medicare certified home health is a different federal level. Pick one and build everything around it. In Washington, do not advertise or operate without the proper in-home services license. The Department of Health reviews your file and surveys you before issuing a license. Plan your launch calendar around that. Decide early service area, payer strategy, leadership roles, staffing plan, and your first-year budget. Form the business LLC is common, but choose what fits your liability and tax goals. Register with the Secretary of State, get your UBI, business license, EIN, and state tax accounts. Budget smart. For applications on or after June 1, 2026, plan for a $5,000 initial 12-month license fee per category, plus county surcharges if you serve multiple counties. Add insurance, training, technology, and real operating reserves. Your application must be complete orientation done, license form and fee, liability insurance, disclosures, background checks, business licenses, org chart, FTE worksheet, service descriptions and survey-ready policies, procedures and forms, staffing matters, name your on-site administrator and direct care supervision, plan for Washington's 75-hour home care aid training pathway, testing, background checks, and ongoing training when required. Set up the office and tech secure records, scheduling, payroll, billing, communication, incident tracking, and emergency continuity. Choose payers wisely. Many first-time founders start with licensed, private pay, non-medical, home care, before tackling Medicaid contracting or Medicare home health. Want hands-on help? Visit www.carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.